Okay. Well, what we'll do then, we'll drop Amy at school. Yeah. Take her down.
Yeah.
And then we'll go straight out to Southy from there.
Yeah.
Right. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Because I'll put my mum in today, look.
Yeah.
Move over.
Dickhead. It's not hard, is it, Alexei?
No, it's not hard.
It's not hard. Can you colour within the lines? You've been doing that since you were a f***ing child.
Yep.
Why can't people drive in the f***ing lines? Oh, look at these knobheads. I mean, no, that's taxi. I'm sorry, I take it back.
Well, no, they're not allowed to do it.
No, they are allowed to do it.
No, they're not. You're not smart.
Taxis do what they want.
No, they're not allowed to do what they want.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not. No, there's no one there at all.
Yeah, he's allowed to do that.
No, it's a bus stop.
No, he's actually allowed to do that.
Is he actually allowed to do that?
Yeah.
So taxis are allowed to stop on a bus stop?
Yeah.
No, they're not.
They are.
They're not.
They are.
They're not.
People of the comments, correct me and sort her out. Taxis are allowed to stop at bus stops.
Why are they allowed to stop in bus stops?
Because they're allowed to.
Yeah, but why?
Because they're allowed. They're just allowed to do it.
But why?
Because they are.
No, they're not.
Oh my god. You're going to get so much hate. They're going to call you an idiot.
I am an idiot.
Call her an idiot.
I am an idiot. The majority of the time.
True.
So I agree with that.
I'm not lying to you. Trust me. You're not allowed to just like randomly stop wherever you want though and not indicate. Like, oh, I see the driver. Do you see the state of her?
Nope.
She was a mess.
We'll have to leave your nan's like bang on like 4:45.
Whoa, f***ing knob end.
What's that?
Didn't think you'd wait over. Yeah, knobhead. Growl with me. Synchronise our growling. Together. Oh, dear. Yeah, my dear knobheads. How do you manage that on a straight road? Kind of straight. It's a little bit of a curve, but it's mostly straight. Bunch of fools. Warning. This vehicle is tracked and I have to stick to the speed limits. Sorry! Exclamation mark. Why would you need a sign to tell you you're not allowed to break the law? Huh? That's like me putting a sign on my back. Sorry, I'm not allowed to kill people. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I don't get it. I don't get it. Stupid, pointless sign. Stupid. The person driving this van has eyes. I may not go through the red lights. Sorry. He's stupid. This vehicle cannot use bus lanes. Sorry for the inconvenience. Ah. You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, wow. We got actual snow for a change. Look at it. I don't want to go back yet. I'm going to go for a little drive. I'm refusing to go back to work. I'm going for a personal drive. I'm about as happy as a prostitute with a dick in her mouth. That is how happy I am right now.